Good morning, man. How you doing, Jeff?
How you doing?
Good. Another day, another day.
So if you want to test the, someone try to remember what the PepBoys guy said.
Mhm.
So they tested the battery, like the volt test
Right.
or whatever.
That's the brand new battery, though, right?
Brand new battery.
Okay.
It was perfect.
Mhm.
When it's running, it was perfect.
Mhm.
They couldn't test it when it was cranking, when I cranked it, because when I shut it off, I gotta wait 20 minutes before I can turn it back on.
Mhm.
So there was no way for them to like do a cold crank. So if you want to test whatever that number is,
Yeah, that's
then
what I'm
you
gonna
gotta
do.
do it right now.
Yeah.
Because once it's running and you cut it off, it doesn't turn back on for you either got to jump it or wait 20 minutes. Does
Okay.
that make sense?
Okay.
So if you want to test that number, now's the time to do it.
All right. Alrighty.
And I'll give you that so you get in and out of the
Okay.
garage. And it's the
Yeah.
key.
All right. Sounds good, man.
Good luck.
Hey.
Good luck solving the mystery.
All right, man. I'm pretty sure I'll find it. All right. Check engine light on. Start right back up. Fine. Alright, so what I'm going to do here is test the alternator and the battery charging system and everything and see what I get. Start 3 times. 1. There it is. Can't start it up. Alrighty. Next step. I'm gonna get up under here. I'm under here. I want to look at my connection. So I'm just feeling my power wire is tight. Signal wire good. Alright. So we good up under here. Starter is fine. So the starter is fine connection wise. Alright. Let's check relay fuses. Key switch. Ignition switch. Look at that. So I pressed this here and the noise that I heard, it disappeared when I pressed on it. This looked like this relay is falling apart. I don't know if somebody tried to take it out or what. But let me see if it starts up. Starts right up. Now it won't start. Yeah. Might be that relay. It might be that relay, guys. I'm gonna get that relay out and test it. Good old TikTok shop. Easy way to test a relay. Yeah, that relay is shot, man. It's coming apart. Yeah, they done broke. Whoever messed with this, they done broke this thing. So I think this is the problem. I couldn't even get it out the regular way. Look at that. So, with that being said, I'm pretty sure I can't test this relay because it's watch how I'm pretty sure it's gonna say it's bad. But I think it was lacking the connection. It was, yeah, see, it's bad. It's saying it's bad. Yeah, I'm gonna change this relay out and we're gonna go from there. I really feel like I got a good feeling that that's the problem right there. So we'll see.
15 minutes later.
Good morning. I got a 2011 Nissan Pathfinder. Need a relay for this ignition switch.
You know it has 4 terminals or 5?
5.
That one's ordered.
I'm sorry, this 1, 2, 3, 4.
That be ordered is $38.99.
That has to be ordered too? Damn. So nobody has it?
You could trade maps.
Alright, thank you. Damn, AutoZone. Let me try O'Reilly, man. Good morning. I have a 2011 Nissan Pathfinder. Ignition switch relay. I appreciate you guys' help. I'm in a hurry. Alright, damn it. This is the part I hate. Ripping and running around looking for parts. How you doing?
Don't have a starter relay for it. You don't have a starter relay for it.
Alright. How you doing? I got a 2011 Nissan Pathfinder. Just need the starter relay. Nobody sell it. Little old relay, and it's a dealer item. I was like, dang. Nobody in Georgia has the relay.
Oh man, out of state, bro.
Out of state.
1 hour later.
Yeah, we back, but no part. That's crazy, man. Ignition switch, 40 amp relay. I'm gonna swap it so you can start this thing at least, man. Get one of these power window. I know he need these windows to work, but which one would you rather have? Windows not working or the car not starting? So I'm gonna pop that out. I'm gonna put that in there. Should start up now. Start up strong. Okay. Try it again. Start up strong. One more time. Start up strong. Okay, we had that issue. We couldn't do that at first. Now we got it. Start 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Battery status is a warning. See? See? Yeah, man, you got a bad relay.
Okay.
That was the call.
All right.
I tried to go get a relay and nobody has it.
Okay. So, do you order that or do I order it?
Gonna have to order it. I can order it. You can order it. I can send you a link. I just gotta locate it.
Okay.
Yeah. So what
I'll let you do it.
Yeah, what I did was took out the window relay, so the windows won't roll down right now.
Okay.
Just so I can swap it and make sure that was the issue.
Okay.
It was, and I left it in there.
Okay.
You can start it.
Okay.
And it's starting, no problem.
Okay.
The remaining $35 and $30 for travel.
Okay. Is it worth you coming all the way back up here, or do you order it, just ship it to my house?
That's
Can I go
better.
pop?
That's better.
Because once I have a new one,
Just pop it right in.
I can just grab pliers.
You can break that old one, just pull it all the way out.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll go from there, man.
All right.
It sounds like a plan.
Cool.
You are good to go. Man, I appreciate it. I appreciate you calling me out and trusting me.
No worries. I love it. I wanted it to work out. Next time I need brakes or something.
Yes, sir.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga.